Hi everyone. I don't know whether something have ever crossed your mind. Did you ever ask yourself like the work ID that you wear at work, like a staff ID, or maybe student card, or any card that you use, how they are printed? Okay, I'll show you. They are printed with this machine, a machine like this one, and I'll show you how it's done. So we just go here, just normal, whatever how you do it. And okay, I'm just using my hand to hold the camera. That's why it's like difficult for me. Just to Control P. Okay, so just like a normal normally how you print. That's my printer. And then you just come here. This one should be portrait. So I change this from landscape portrait. I'll tell you more about this machine. It's called Zebra Zc300. So it's a card printer, and this is how it goes. So once you're done and you're satisfied, you just go and print, and it should start the printing. It's printing the card. Okay. Yes, that's it. My work ID is done. As simple as that. High quality um high quality PVC printing. Simple as that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you posted. And that guy over there said hi. That guy over there said hi. So yeah, that's it. But before I forget, there is a software. Once you buy the printer, it's look like this. This is the printer. This is how it's look like. And that's how it's look like. That's like a 360. And by the way, if your card have access, so you see here, yeah, electronically you can do it. So at the back, this where this is the data cable and the power cable. It's very simple, very straightforward. Yeah, that's how it is. Very straightforward. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.